In 2025, Anthropic shipped a new way to teach Claude. No retraining. No endless prompting. Just a folder. And a single file inside it. This is how Claude Code skills actually work. Right now, somewhere, an AI agent is writing real production-grade code. Not autocomplete, not snippets. Real, multi-file production shippable code. It reads, documentation you have never opened. It runs scripts you wrote last Tuesday. It follows your team's code style without ever being told. Before skills, every instruction was crammed into one giant prompt. Every rule, every quirk, the model forgot half of it by token 30,000, and splitting it into chunks barely helped. So engineers asked the obvious question. What if Claude could load only what it actually needs? The answer is a folder. Inside lives one file, SKILL.md, the brain of the skill, markdown, with a short YAML header. The header holds two fields, a name and a description. That description is the most important sentence in the skill. Below the header, plain markdown, instructions, examples, edge cases, everything you would tell a new engineer on day one. The folder can hold more. Scripts the skill can run. Documents it can cite. Templates it can copy. All of it optional. Plain files. Version controlled. The same folder runs in the CLI on Claude.ai and the agent SDK. So now you have a folder full of plain instructions, and it works everywhere, unchanged. But how does Claude know the moment to reach for it? Think about the context window. Stuff every rule, every document, every quirk inside, and most of it is gone before turn 10. 6 layers stack inside one Claude turn. System prompt, user input, memory, tools, MCP servers, and skills, deciding what to load.